Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can remove silence on CapCut PC. There are two ways to do it. There's one that's like a free one. It does take longer, and the second one is a pro feature one. So I'll show you the free version first. Actually, don't know if they still have. Oh, they still have it. So just like extract audio so you can see it a little bit better. And here, as you can see, there's like silence here and there. It's like where the gap is. So for instance, there's like a big silence here and want to remove it. I'm going to select both the video and the audio by pressing Control on my keyboard. Then I'm just going to remove the silence here. Select both and just press delete. And then move the audio next to each other. Another easier way to do this is to select this, remove filler words. And like you can also like remove pauses and like remove silences here. It is a pro feature though. I'm gonna make the video a little bit shorter so that it doesn't take that long to identify stuff. It does take longer the longer your video is. Here in like pauses, if there is one, you're just going to delete it. As you can see, there isn't on here, but if there is, you're just going to select it and delete. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. Try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.